How to fix the Bluetooth cutting issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Bluetooth cutting issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on this apps option again. Now click on this three dot more option on the top right corner, and then tap on show system processes, and then go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app. Now open the Bluetooth app and go to its storage, and then clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. And after clearing the cache memory of Bluetooth app, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after clearing the cache memory, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update, and from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if the phone's software is not updated to the latest version, then tap on download and install to update the software, and after updating the mobile's software, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth cutting issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.